Hello and welcome back to the Ultimate Piano Course by Joseph N. In this video, we're going to discuss rhythm exercise drill number 4. So without further ado, let's hop right into it. So once again, we're going to take a look at the exercise itself. This exercise is a little bit different because we see plenty of time signatures being changed throughout the entire exercise. At the beginning, we'll be starting in 2/4 time, so 2 beats per measure. But at measure 8, we're going to be in 3/4 time, so 3 beats per measure. On the very last line, we'll switch to 5/4 time, which means there will be 5 beats per measure. As always, we're going to set our metronome to quarter note equals 80, and again, make sure you practice slower beforehand. So here's my quarter note at 80 for the metronome. I'm going to demonstrate the exercise now. So there we go, another rhythm exercise in the bag. Definitely plenty of things to note in this exercise, notably that it's a combination of a lot of the techniques we've seen in the previous exercises. We can see at measure 7 that we have a tie, and spread throughout the entire exercise, plenty of 8th note rhythms and plenty of quarter rests. It's imperative that your metronome always has the same exact sound for every single tick. Some metronomes have a higher bell sound for beat 1 than it would for the ticks on any of the rest of the beats in each measure. You don't want to have that because in this exercise, the time signature is going to change. So for example, if you set your metronome to 2 beats per measure, with the first beat being a different sound, when you get to the 3/4 measure in measure 8, it's going to sound completely wrong. It's going to land on not beat 1, but beat 3, sometimes beat 2, and so on. And the same thing will happen when we move to 5/4 time. It's not going to land on beat 1 anymore. If you heard my metronome, every single tick was the exact same sound. So you would want to set your metronome to sound like that so you never get confused about where beat 1 is. And as always, make sure to give this exercise plenty of time, plenty of practice, plenty of repetition, and I'll see you in the next video.